Alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Maria and English Bambarane challenge you now bilaabay already. Maanta waa maanta labaad. Today is the day 2 of my English speaking journey. Groupna waan sameeyay. Haddaa rabtid inaad nagu soo biirtid, fadlan linkiga groupka hoos buu yaalaa nagu soo biir. And please like, share and comment. That helps me a lot. Let's start. Number 1. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. Number 2. She eats breakfast at home. She eats breakfast at home. Number 3. He goes to work in the morning. He goes to work in the morning. And number 4. I study English every day. I study English every day. Number 5. They play football after school. They play football after school. Number 6. We drink tea in the morning. We drink tea in the morning. And number 7. She reads books at night. She reads books at night. Number 8. He watches TV every day. He watches TV every day. Please, if you like this video, like, share, and comment. That helps me a lot. And allowing in a group kusoo biirtid.